To use circle to search on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, you will have to turn it on and check the activation method for each navigation style on your phone. So you have to start by opening display settings. Now you have to scroll into the navigation bar, and here you can turn it on. And for buttons, you have to click and hold a middle button. But for gestures, you will get this line, and you will have to also click and hold it on this line. And now let's go for some content actually. So I'm going to show you how it actually looks. In this case, I want to, for example, search for a picture that is my wallpaper. So I have to click and hold it. And to search an image, I have to draw around my wallpaper, for example, like this. Wait for a result that I will get. Oh, by the way, you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here, when I'm going to expand, I can go exact matches. So nothing was found actually. If I'm going to go for all of them, I can find something that looks similar, but looks like that this wallpaper is actually AI created because it's not available online, right? So this looks actually a little bit close to this picture, which means that this was probably created with AI. But how we can also use the circle to search. For example, if you want to copy something that you cannot select, so you have to just open the circle to search. And now click and hold the text. And as you can see, you can quickly copy this text, or you can translate this text. So now we can get this translation. You can pick a second language, for example, into the Polish. And here we can find this quick translation. What we can also do, take a look. We are going here. We can search for a song by clicking here. So we can play, sign, or hum a song and get some results. By clicking here on the right upper corner, we can even find our recent song searches. And there's also an option to get quick voice, right? Search using your whole screen. So we have to click here, and now we can just say whatever you want. Search for this. This is one more time. Search for my wallpaper. There we go. That's how it actually looks. Now we are redirected to the AI mode in the browser, and here we can find some information about this. So as you can see, there's like multiple options that you can use. I hope you find it useful.